Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in the last month, but I was working on channel customization and I'm just waiting to buy a software that I can use to make the logo and banner. But for now I'm just going to leave it as it is. But what I've just said will be valid if you're watching this video at the time of its release. But yeah, so let's go right into the video. So this video is just going to be briefly exploring HTML. So as you can see, I've got tongue twister there. Visual Studio open. Oh, Visual Studio Code open. Wait, is it Visual Studio? Hold on a second. Yes, Visual Studio Code. So first off, I'm going to copy and paste some code into it that I typed earlier in preparation for the video. So I didn't have to. There would be a little less code to write. Yes, because I mean this video isn't exactly the point. I said that again. So this video isn't exactly about just about how to write HTML code. It's about what it is, just having a brief look at it and for fun. Okay, so let's get right to it. So here I have some code here. So this is just a standard start of HTML code. So this is the title of the web page, and oh yeah, I forgot to mention what HTML does. So HTML is the primary coding language used for web development. So you basically use it to code websites. Now not to code all the websites. So I've already touched upon this a bit more in a future video. But so there are three different main coding languages for web development. So the main one of course is HTML. So HTML is used for all the writing and stuff, and basically all the writing and like lines and tables and stuff in a web page. And yeah, for putting all the words on an individual web page and inserting stuff and stuff like that, and the basic functionality of the web page. And then there's a second one called CSS, and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And CSS basically makes the web page look all fancy and stuff, like coloured and like all appealing to look at and stuff. So that's CSS for you, and I'll probably do a CSS video in the future. So the last web development coding language is JavaScript. So JavaScript has two variants, Java and JavaScript. So Java and JavaScript are basically used for making the web page function properly. Like if you see any animations in a website's web page, then that is Java, aka JavaScript for you. And yeah, so like if you're having any information passed between web pages in a website, then that's either Java or JavaScript doing that. Okay, so yes, let's get on with the HTML. So yeah, okay, so do this then. Some body here and H1. This web page is for video. Okay, I'm just typing random words there. This web page is for video. Okay, so that's that. Now don't worry if you don't understand what any of this code does. I'll probably explain it a bit more in a future video, and maybe a bit more in depth in a future video. And so yes, and also HTML isn't really a normal coding language. Its variables are sort of built in. Okay, so yeah, I'll explain more about HTML in the future video. Okay, so now I've already got this file saved, so I'm now going to say, you see, without a server, you can't really without a server you can't really access it directly from Microsoft Edge. So you have to access it from the folder. So I'm just going to go quickly access there. And here we are. A web page made with HTML. So if I was to open up a new tab and I typed in 1 second, no. If I were to copy and paste this URL, copy, paste, then you get the same web page. Okay, so yeah, I also don't know what's causing this. I think it's a bug or something. Yeah, I might have a look at that later on. Yes, and so this is all looking fairly good. So that's how you create a web page in HTML. So yeah, we've had a little look at that. So that is basically concluding this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.